If you're looking for a pizza recipe that is lower in carbs that just so happens to have additional protein, then this viral inspired pizza bowl is the answer. And you guys, I have to tell you, it's absolutely delicious and it comes together in a matter of minutes. Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am showing you alternative versions of the foods that we love. Now, this pizza bowl recipe that I am showing you today went viral, I guess because maybe the cottage cheese, and you know, cottage cheese is like the in ingredient over the past year or two when it comes to recipes, either sweet or savory. And I tell you, I am a fan as well. And I'll also share with you, okay, that this is the second pizza bowl that I've made. I made one previously, absolutely phenomenal is that one as well, you guys. If you've not yet seen it, I'll leave it up there in the link. I also leave it in the description, but it does not have any cottage cheese. So again, this recipe, we are going to boost our protein level by the addition of the cottage cheese. One thing I will tell you, you guys, pizza, whether it's crustless, whether it has cottage cheese, okay, it's not a low fat meal. All right. So don't come after me saying, Deborah, okay, you showed us this thing and it's got tons of fat in it. This does not fit my diet. You have to decide, okay, whether or not this recipe is going to fit into your diet regimen. And like anything in life, you guys, it's always in balance and moderation. If you got a craving for pizza, eat that pizza that one day, but don't follow up on the next day and the next day and the next day, because that is definitely going to defeat the purpose, okay? But every now and again is absolutely fine. And if you can, in fact, find a healthier alternative to the traditional recipe, such as pizza, then this is what I'm here to share with you. Now, what I have is all of the ingredients that I'm going to use in this recipe. I'm busy, I work outside of the house, so I have to make it work for my schedule. So what I did is I went ahead and I chopped everything up in advance of this. So that way, because tonight, all I need to do is to put everything into, okay, this cottage cheese, put it in this bowl, bake it, and I am good to go. So what I have here in this foil is what I wanted to, let you guys see, because this is real life, So I put it in the fridge, put it in the foil, and here we are. I've got some chopped peppers here. I've got my chopped olives here, and I've got some chopped onions, along with my seasoning, which is Italian seasoning, and I've got some garlic powder, and then of course, okay, this cottage cheese. Now, before we come in close to put this together, the cottage cheese, either you can put it into your NutriBullet and make it less curdy, if you don't like the curds, but if the curds are not an issue for you, you can just take it right out of the container. I don't like, all the curdiness in it, so I went ahead and put it into my NutriBullet and I got rid of some of the curds. So you guys, with that, come in close, okay, and let's put this delicious pizza bowl together. Okay, guys, before we get into this recipe, there's one thing that I forgot to tell you at the top of this video, and that is I actually got inspired to put this recipe together by a recipe that I saw on Clean and Delicious. So I will definitely leave the link to her video in my description. So without further ado, let's cook. All right, everyone. So to my mixing bowl, I've already added my smooth and creamy cottage cheese. I'm going to add some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese, and we're going to add in half of our toppings. So you guys, I'm going to act like you're not watching, okay? I'm taking this right out of the foil, okay? Because again, this is real life, and this is how I would do it if you weren't, if you were not watching. Okay, so about half of that. My onions. And of course, the toppings are the toppings that you like, okay? I'm using onions. I'm using some really colorful peppers here. Look at that, you guys, right? I know. And some olives. And these are black olives. And add these in. As many or as little as you like. And of course, some other things that you can put, the pepperoni, you can do the Italian sausage, you can do the mushrooms. That's to name a few of the things that you can put in here in addition or instead of this. All right, the next thing that I want to do is add in our sauce. And it's time to mix all of this together. All right, give this a taste for some salt and pepper. You guys, oh my gosh. That is so good. Okay. Up next, bring over your oven safe container. I got these from Amazon. I will leave the link to these in my description. Perfect for a one serving meal. Absolutely love these. All right. And I've already sprayed some nonstick cooking spray in here because again, we are working with cheese. So we're going to put this in. Perfect amount. Spread it around. Okay. And now up next, we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. I'm telling you guys, the prepping in advance makes an easy recipe super easy. Absolutely love this. Now we're going to add the rest of our toppings. I'm not going to add any more onions, so I'm just going to go in with these colorful peppers. All right, and then last are our black olives. Add these around. To be honest with you, I don't know if I was supposed to save any of that sauce for the top, but this is my recipe, so we're going to do it my way. It should work out fine. Okay, you guys, you see this? I am so pleased with this already. So the oven has already preheated 425. I'm going to put it in for about 10-15 minutes. So all of these ingredients can heat through. This cheese is going to be nice and bubbly and oh so delicious. So you guys, I will see you in a few minutes. Okay, everyone, are you ready for it? Take a look at this. I know, right? So the thing that I will tell you is let it rest for a few minutes before serving because it is like juicy. I guess that's the right word to describe it. So let all the juices and what have you settle down into this little masterpiece here. And then you guys, it will be time to eat. All right, everyone, while this continues to cool down, let me just give you some highlights of this particular recipe. Other than the ease of putting it all together, you can customize the topping. So if you like what I have in it, such as the olives and the peppers and the onions, but your husband and your children want something completely different, no problem, you guys. It's so easy to swap out these ingredients for those, put it into an individual serving container and bake it off so everybody has their own custom pizza bowl. Absolutely love that about this particular recipe. So you guys, if you want to continue to learn how to make alternative versions of the foods that you love, then check it out, you guys. Keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. And remember, if you enjoy this video, you enjoy this recipe, please remember to give it a like, please remember to give it a share, and also please remember to press that subscribe button below so that you won't miss out on other recipes such as this. Oh, one other thing, you guys, wanted to tell you about this marinara sauce. Got this marinara sauce, which is a lower carb version of a sauce from Thrive Market, which is an online market that you can shop by diet type, whether it's vegan, paleo, keto, low carb, and they will deliver right to your door, which is perfect for busy people such as me. So you guys, so check it out. I will leave the link to Thrive Market in my description. So you guys, as always, as I close my videos, I always say it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Thanks for joining us and enjoy. I know I am. And see if this is cool enough. Oh my gosh. See how creamy this is, you guys? Life just got a little bit better. See you soon. Delicious. I always say the best part of the pizza is the topping.